If you live on Long Island and you're replacing your windows, you've probably heard the same two names over and over.
Andersen windows and Marvin windows.
So which one's better? Which one's worth the money? And which actually makes sense for your home?
Today, we're breaking it down. Materials, performance, cost, and what we actually see in real North Shore homes.
Let's dive right in.
So here's a quick overview. At a high level, Andersen windows and Marvin windows are both premium brand windows.
They are not builder grade, they are not cheap, and they're both miles ahead of entry-level windows that you would see at big box stores.
But they're built differently, they're priced differently, and they're suited for different types of homes.
So let's talk about materials and construction. Andersen is best known for their Fibrex material, which is a composition of both wood fiber and polymer.
It's durable, it's low maintenance, and it works very well in Long Island's climate.
Whereas Marvin leans a little bit more traditional. Wood interiors with aluminum or fiberglass exteriors, depending on the line.
Marvin tends to give a more authentic, high-end look, especially for older colonials and historic style homes that we see here on the North Shore of Long Island.
Now let's talk aesthetics and design flexibility.
This is where Marvin really shines.
Marvin offers more customization. Sizes, profiles, divided lights, colors, especially if you're matching an older home.
Andersens still look great, but the design options are much more standardized.
If architectural details matter to you, Marvin usually has the edge.
Now let's talk performance and durability.
Both brands perform extremely well when it comes to energy efficiency and weather resistance.
On the North Shore of Long Island, we're dealing with coastal moisture, wind, and big seasonal swings. Both brands can handle that well when installed correctly.
Installation matters just as much as the window itself. A great window installed poorly will still fail.
All right, now let's talk money, because this is where homeowners really feel it.
Generally speaking, Andersen does tend to be the more budget-friendly window compared to Marvin.
Marvin tends to come in higher, sometimes significantly, depending on the product line and customization.
Is Marvin better? Not always. Sometimes you're paying for design flexibility, not performance.
The right choice in window will always come down to your budget, your home, and what you value most. All right, now let's talk about what we recommend for most Long Island homes.
For newer homes, renovations, or homeowners that want durability and value, Andersen is often a great fit.
For older homes, historic homes, or high-end custom builds, Marvin usually makes a little more sense.
Neither brand is the best across the board.
The best window is the one that fits your home, not the brand name. If you're planning a renovation or window replacement on the North Shore of Long Island and want real guidance,
hit that subscribe button and drop your questions in the comments below. And check out our other construction cost videos. We break this stuff down before you spend the money. We'll see you next time.